Hi, this is Simon Browning from See-Through Web, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can view the web hosting statistics for your website that's hosted with STWHosting.com. Currently on the screen we have the website of our design business, see-throughweb.com, which is hosted at STW Hosting. If I wanted to look at the hosting statistics, I go to see-throughweb.com/cpanel, and it would be for your own site, whatever your domain name is, .com/cpanel. When I type that in, I get prompted for the cpanel username and password. These are generally sent out when you create your hosting account. If you don't have yours, just email us at support@stwhosting.com and we'll send it out to you. Now I've actually already logged in, so I'm just going to cancel that and flip over to my logged in window here. So once you get logged in, you see a screen similar to this. This is the hosting control panel. There's various panels on the screen where you can impact various aspects of the site, create email addresses, create databases, etc. There is a section called logs, which has the statistics programs. There's a few of them available. My favorite is actually called AW Stats. Clicking on it, I will actually be presented with a list of the domains that we have in our account. We've got a couple, but I'm going to choose see-throughweb.com. And up comes AW Stats. At the top you can see that we're currently looking at the period of September from 2011. The stats actually will go back as far as you've had your account with us. So with the drop down here I could select a previous month or even a previous year if I wanted to. Below that we have a summary of what's been going on this month. So you can see that we've had 2,329 visitors this month. They've generated 8,294 actual visits, so about 3 or 4 visits per person, and those have generated 48,000 actual page views. Following that, we have the hits number, which is sort of a irrelevant number. Anything on your page generates a hit. So if a page has 5 pictures on it, that page being viewed will actually generate 6 hits. And then after that, you can see how much bandwidth has been used in a given month. This becomes important if you have a very busy site, as the hosting accounts are limited by bandwidth. Scrolling down, you can see the monthly history. So you can see that sort of January was our slowest month, and May was our busiest month in graphical format, and below that it's there as well in numerical format. And you can see the days of the month, which ones are busy or not busy, and following that, days of the week. So our busiest day of the week is Thursdays, and our least busy is Wednesday. After that, you can see the hours of the day that are busiest. So again, we're busiest between 11 and about 1 in the afternoon, and least busy around midnight. Following that, you can see the countries that have visited your website, or the countries from which people have visited your website. And after that, the actual IP addresses that they're coming from. Lower down, we have the robots or spiders. Yahoo, Google, MSN, they're always indexing your website to make sure that their search engines have the up-to-date data. You can see how often they're visiting, and you can see in our case they were here this morning. If you've got a busy site or a well-indexed site, they're probably coming every day. After that, you can see the average visit duration. So you can see that the majority of our visitors stay on the site between 0 and 30 seconds. That's actually quite common. I think most websites see that. People usually come to your website, they look for what they want, and they're going to phone you or they're going to act on that, and then they're gone. After that, we have various other things. You can see the top pages that are viewed on the website. This is our home page here. Actually, it's been viewed 309 times so far this month. Our blog has been viewed 192 times. After that, the operating systems that people are using, the browsers that they're using. So you can see that 56% of the visitors to our website actually use Firefox, 20% use Internet Explorer, and then the rest use other browsers. After that, you can see how people actually came to the website. So 145 people came to our website from Google, 2 came from Windows Live, and these are the other websites that they might have come from. Actually, these are the websites that they have come from to get to our website. So for instance, 12 people came to our website from oakleymall.com. After that, you can see the actual key phrases that people use to type into search engines. So 5 people actually typed see-through web into Google or another search engine and then came to our website. And these are the terms that they're using. This is the top 10. You can click to get the full details. And then there's a few other things. On the left side here, we have an index that can instantly jump you to sort of any section of those stats. So there you go. There's how you can view your web hosting statistics. Thank you very much.